If you spend any time online, you might have seen the viral Golden Retriever Egg Challenge. Owners hand their dogs a raw egg, and the dog simply holds it in their mouth without cracking the delicate shell. It is an incredibly specific party trick, but it fits perfectly with the goofy behaviors golden owners witness every day. These are dogs that routinely greet you at the door carrying a random shoe, act like 80-pound puppies, and are notorious for stealing your socks. Which raises an interesting question. Why is the gold standard of family dogs programmed with these highly specific, sometimes chaotic habits? Every one of these behaviors is an output of a highly specific biological software code written in the 19th century. To truly understand a golden retriever, you have to look past the fluffy exterior and reverse engineer the master plan of a Victorian aristocrat. Our timeline starts in 1864 on a rugged estate in Scotland. The man in charge is Sir Dudley Marjoribanks, also known as Lord Tweedmouth. Lord Tweedmouth had a strict engineering problem. He needed a hunting dog capable of navigating freezing, marshy waters to retrieve fallen waterfowl, but the dog had to return the bird entirely intact without damaging the game. To build this, he initiated a very deliberate crossbreeding program. He took a yellow retriever named News and paired him with a now extinct Tweed Water Spaniel named Belle. Over generations, he refined their offspring into a new breed. This selective breeding produced Code 1, the soft mouth. This biomechanical cross-section illustrates how it works. Retrievers possess highly sensitive neuromuscular control in their jaws, giving them a strong instinct to consciously inhibit their own bite force. This specific inhibition instinct is exactly what prevents the dog's teeth from puncturing a bird's skin out in the field. And it is the exact physical mechanism that allows a modern golden to pass that viral raw egg challenge today. It also explains why your dog is so mouthy. Golden retrievers are biologically wired to carry objects around. When your dog proudly brings you a stolen sock, they are executing a 150-year-old hunting command. Next, we have Code 2. Energy and athleticism. As members of the sporting group, Goldens were bred to possess endless stamina for long, cold days hunting in the Scottish Highlands. In a modern context, if that working energy does not have a designated outlet, like agility training, dock diving, or long hikes, it gets trapped. And trapped working energy quickly turns into chewed furniture in a suburban living room. Then there is Code 3, empathy and eternal youth. Look at this archival photograph of dogs passing over a narrow bridge at a Guide Dog Association training center. The highly cooperative temperament originally bred for those Scottish marshes makes Goldens perfectly suited for modern therapy work and complex search and rescue operations. Part of this cooperative charm comes from a distinct biological quirk. Golden retrievers mature very slowly. They retain their exuberant, goofy puppy behavior well into physical adulthood. But this highly cooperative, easily trained software has one major glitch: a bottomless stomach. Because they are intensely food-motivated, they will eat almost anything left out on the counter. Compare this to Labradors. Roughly 25% of labs carry a specific POMC gene mutation that causes them to burn 25% fewer calories at rest, leading to physiological obesity. Goldens do not have this genetic mutation. Their overeating is purely an intense behavioral drive, which requires strict owner management to prevent weight gain. Ultimately, that boundless physical energy and insatiable appetite are the exact fuel sources that power their elite working capabilities. This historical code explains why these dogs require defined jobs, strict diet limits, and patience during their years of prolonged puppyhood. It also requires a quick reality check regarding that viral egg challenge. Veterinary experts strongly warn against trying it. Handing a dog a raw, unwashed egg exposes them to salmonella bacteria. Worse, if the dog gets distracted or unexpectedly bites down, the collapsing shell creates a severe choking hazard. Lord Tweedmouth never could have predicted social media challenges, but the legacy of his highly localized Scottish breeding program has endured exactly as he designed it. A Scottish lord set out to build a specialized 19th century hunting tool. He ended up writing the code for a 21st century companion.